to my bathroom. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing. So I'm about to get in the shower, but I wanted to do like a before because it's been a rough week and I've kind of been neglecting my hair. So I'm gonna take it out of this bun thing and just give you a before preview so you can see how far we come. Alright, so there's that. It's a hot mess. I'm going to be using the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil Shampoo, the Damage Remedy, whatever it says, and then the matching conditioner. And then I'm going to use probably a little bit of Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask on the ends a little bit. So just a little background. Basically, I'm the shampoo, and when I rinse out my shampoo, I finger comb, and then I'll go in with this brush after when I rinse out my conditioner. So there's that. And I will be right back. Okay, so I'm showered. Here's what I did. What I said I did. Now I follow the LOC method, which basically you go in a specific order. So I do leave-in, oil, and then like a cream to finish it off. So let's get started. Today and for a while now, I've been using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna put that one in. I like to split mine into two because it makes it a lot more manageable. So I made a pretty hefty amount. I'd say that-ish much. And then I always start with the back because that area is the hardest time maintaining moisture. And then I finger comb this product through. It still feels a little dry. And I'll just add a little bit more. Again, a pretty reasonable amount. Reasonable. Hefty, I suppose. Reasonable to me. Just a little bit extra. Just go around the perimeter, make sure I get these little baby hairs on the back. Alright, so now that we're done with the L, one moment, I need to find that cap. Okay, now that we're done with the L, we move on to the O. Recently, I've been using jojoba oil. Somebody told me that's how you say it, so it looks like jojoba, but I was corrected. It's jojoba. And I just add as much as my heart desires. So it's like a little bit. But I have to be very careful because it's just, I bought it in this bottle and I'm like, I should probably have like something with a pump. But I don't, so. I'd show you how much, but that much. make sure, I like to fan it out sometimes and just like, you know, try to make sure the product is evenly distributed. And now the other side, same thing. And then last but not least, I like to take just a little bit extra on my fingertips and run it through my scalp because my scalp dries up. And that's back. And now time for the front and like sides. And then after wash day, I will go through and do this every day before bed, if I remember. Okay, now that the O is complete, we will move on to the C. For my curl cream, lately I have been using a mixture of curls, creme brulee, whatever this is, whipped curl cream, and then the Jamaican castor oil strengthen and restore smoothie. So what I do is I will take first a mixture, like about a 50-50 mixture of the two products. So like that much, mix them, and then go through and apply. So I'll do that, and then I'll do the other side really quickly, and then I will show you guys my secret trick that I learned from YouTube. So I use one of these brushes, the paddle brushes, and basically what I do is, not officially sectioning my hair because it's a lot of work, but I will take, where's my clippy thing? Okay, so I will take, usually what I do is I take this area right here, my ear, all the way to the back, and that's like a section. The rest of this hair up to the front of my clip. I didn't used to do this, but then it got hard to manage. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit extra of the Shea Moisture Curl Cream, work it, put that into the hair. This one ensures that every hair, well, ends up with some product in it. And then I take the brush and brush it through to create bigger curls. I think I just do it a few times until it stops catching. And the curls look like how I want, so like that. Neat, right? Neat. What am I? And then I'll take the next section, which is usually like for here. About that much. So then this, you'll see. A little more product. Section's a little dry, so I'm gonna add a little bit more product. Not a lot. Let's write down the roots. Alright, so these sections are only start with the ends. And then work my way up. And I like to go from the back and the front and just keep working the products through until I get the curl pattern on the side. See? One more brush through. And then usually at the end, I will go through and separate some of the really, really, really big sections. Section for this side. All right, so this half is done. So it looks like nice, right? And now we move on to the other side. Everything is done. So now what I'll do while it's wet is I'll just comb through because I like a little bit of volume when it dries. I don't like them to be so Shirley Temple looking. And then I parted my hair this way because this is where I like it to be. So there it is. I hope. And that's it. I hope somebody finds this useful or helpful, or you just enjoy watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll be having more hair things, I think. Maybe product reviews, mostly. Some makeup stuff coming soon. I'll see y'all later.